OK，大家好啊！我就係司機 Wiseford，咁我就今日跟你傾健身嗰啲嘢就 fitness things。咁咧就頭先呢啲 gym machines 嗱，大家有冇見過呢啲器械㗎？係健身房。咁咧我哋大家試用健身器材咧，咁可以幫助我哋練得大隻啲啊，係嘛？咁跟住咧，我整咗本書嘅。就關於健身嘅，首先健身器材，sometimes we should go to gym to work out to maximize our gains, not only work out at home. There are few machines on the picture. It will train your different types of muscle. 喺營養學就睇呢幅圖。嗱 ，not only work out to build muscles, we need to maintain a healthy diet.And more protein in order to build muscle. Suitable saturated fat is for gaining weight or lose weight. More saturated fat is for underweight. Less saturated fat is for obese. 跟住呢啲蛋白質飲品啦 ，These are for high protein bulking. The bodybuilders sometimes use to maximize their muscle gains and high protein.Watch out for them because they have many sugar。咁個 BMI 咧就可以計下我哋需要幾重啊、幾高啊，我哋達到幾高，我哋要幾重。如果唔係咧，我哋過重嘅情況就會出現㗎啦，或者過輕都有機會出現，所以我哋要計下個 BMI， 咁咧就要計算。同埋有時我哋要計下個卡路里啊，跟住呢啲解剖學啊，咁咧知唔知道呢一個咧就好似我哋呢啊，我哋啲嗱我 show 啲 muscle 俾你睇啊，千祈唔好笑我啊，我唔係玩㗎，嗱 bicep、tricep、forearms、legs、calves。Chest, abs, abs, upper back, lower back, front delts, middle delts, shoulder。我 show 咗俾你一半嗰啲，同埋個 trap， 同埋我 show 咗俾你一半嘅 muscle 啊，我就俾你睇咗。跟住運動嗰陣時，心同腦點運作咧 capillary effort blood to muscle blood for muscle， 咁咧啲血咧就循環嘅由肺同心去到個 muscle 個肌肉度，咁咧就 lung 同個肉咪都有啲循環咯。但係跟住 personal training 咧就係我個目標啊，咁咧就。嗰個 personal training can help bodybuilder or beginner athletes to train muscles and learn more physical fitness. Also, they can help you reach your goal and standards. 跟住呢啲對顧考嘅副作用啦，就 increase tolerance 啊 withdrawal symptoms 啊 compulsive use 啊 obsessive focus on body image 啊 mood swings 啊 aggression 啊excessive timing when you spend on steroid rapid muscle gains and acid breakout 跟住 3 months workout 啲計劃啦，就每一日都係同樣嘅運動，不過有時 run for 30 minutes 就炒咗嘅。咁我讀嗰啲相同嗰啲運動咪 jumping jacks 啊 lunges 啊 squat 啊 high knees 啊butt kickers 啊 side lunges 啊 leg lifts 啊 each crunches 啊，每個都相同嘅。嗱，跟住我哋有時肌肉塞塞啊，因為我哋長期咧係冇做過啲 weight training 嘅，長期係冇去過做 gym 嘅，所以就會變成咁。我哋要點樣保持肌肉咧？就係做多啲 training 咯，同埋保持住我哋個 nutrition 咯。跟住呢啲咪增肌、由瘦子變大隻嘅 增肌方法啦。咁好似 bicep curl 啊、crunches 啊、planks 啊、neck curl 啊、side raises 啊、tricep extension 啊、neck extension 啊、stiff neck hinges 啊、calf raises 啊，跟住呢啲咪增高嗰啲動作，我放大俾你睇下啊。嗱，同埋咧你要跑多啲啊，跳喺平時屋企啊、公園嗰度定期跳多啲，同埋打多啲打波，跟住就 stand correctly，咁咪要企個正確姿勢。等陣啊，要企直，唔可以咁樣彎直，咁樣又唔得，要直，向住直嗰個姿勢去企。但係隻腳又唔可以停你喎，因為咁樣就會當你高咧就唔得嘅喎，因為你個真正嘅高度咧唔可以停你呢隻腳嘅喎。跟住 am I suitable for fitness training as a teenager? The age to start training at the gym is different for each child. Important factors include physical development, health status, previous sport experience, and motivation to exercise. The optimum age for working out alone is 16 to 18, when the body is more mature. 留意下一個年齡啊，同埋呢一啲 lost fat 嗰啲，就我驚你尷尬，所以我就唔講啦。呢啲大約咧係健身嗰啲知識啦。OK， 呢條片到此為止，希望大家有興趣觀，同埋記得 click like、subscribe 同埋 link in the comments。拜拜。